know why you're here. You probably searched these shoes up, you probably saw the thumbnail, or you probably just ran into the video and you want to know what these shoes look like on video, I guess kind of in person. So let's get right to it. Let's check out what's inside the box. All right, straight out of the box, this is what they come in. They come in this little wax paper textured, wrapped up with little Z logos on it, I guess for the Zoom. Open them up. Right off the bat, you see nice looking shoe right there. You know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, you know why you're here. You're here for the Jordan 1 Zoom PSGs for this crazy color. Let's get to what else came inside the box. Comes with this paper, cardboard, and it comes with all the material, specific material, I guess how they build it with all the design on it. You can see it right here. Type of comfortability material or builds they use, the soles, sock liner, whatever. Pretty cool. I like stuff like this. It's pretty cool. Just doing a video on it right now. I'm not gonna read into it. I like the wrapping paper it came in. That's pretty cool. So far, yeah. Got them from StockX. There's a sneakers app. Fucked me once again. Comes with 2 pairs of shoelaces on top of the black ones that it comes with. So it's got the purple, nice color, and the pink. Man, these would probably look real nice on. I usually don't ever use extra shoelaces, but these are pretty cool. This comes with, I need to cut this bitch out. These things are hard to break off. The StockX. And as for the box, what else is in there? Oh yeah, a StockX sticker. And my, I guess my, whatever this, I don't know, this is a real or fake sticker, whatever the fuck, the quality sticker. It came stuck to my wax paper. Oops. Oh, that means they're fake now. First things first, right off the bat, first thing you notice is obviously the purple and the pink back here because of the PSG jersey. Nike listed them as the colorway is white, black, and psychic purple. Pretty cool. Psychic purple, I guess pink too, but that's just what they call it. This is, I mean, that's right off the bat. That's the first thing you're gonna notice. You wear these with jeans on top of this, they're gonna look like any other ones. But they're Zooms. They don't come in the regular Jordan 1s box, you know, the black and red. They come in that cardboard box as you saw earlier. I guess because they're Zooms. Supposedly they're built around comfort. The idea they're trying to give away or give out, and I see it. It's pretty nice materials. It's way different than the other ones. Then I'm just put a flashlight in there. It looks horrible, but whatever. You see the padded material in here that they were talking about on the little cardboard thing. The tongue is like padded, real soft. They even put the size inside right here. I'm trying to show you guys. It's kind of hard with the flashlight, man. Inside right here, that the size tag. The insole is the same color, psychic purple. I'm sorry about the flashlight. Back to normal. You got that foam right here. The tongue has that foam. Let's see. Yeah, it goes all the way in. It's like a weird I don't know how to explain it. Soft felt type, leathery feeling. Feels really good to the touch. A little bit different because of this. There's foam right here on the outside, and there's more foam on the inside. Another thing you can't really tell on camera or on pictures, whenever they had them on the sneakers app, is this is like an iridescent swoosh. Let me see if the flash will make it look. It's horrible. Fucking kind of. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. Bluish purple metallic, as well as the back of it. It's a shiny metallic The logo on the back, the Paris Saint Germain logo. That's the thing, you know, those are the things that stand out to me the most. I really like the Zoom Air tag too. Man, I just like that purple color. The aglets, little small details. It's got a Paris on there. I think all of them say Paris. Yeah, Paris. Even the extra ones, Paris. And purple ones, Paris. Pretty cool detail. Another thing I like, but you know, nobody's ever gonna see it. I like this purple a lot. It's real fierce. I don't know. I like it. It's a deep purple at the bottom. It's got the black undersole. Other than that, I think they were listed as mid Jordans. I was watching somebody else's video. They said they're not mids. I couldn't care enough if they were mids or not. But I do have something to compare, so I'll get those right now. Oddly enough, now that I compared them side to side, as you can see, this is a mid, a high top, and this is supposed to be a mid, but it's higher than shit. It's like a 1/8 of an inch taller than the high tops. I just thought it was a pretty cool comparison of how each Jordan is a little bit different. You know, there's so many variations of the ones. Here, this has a thicker back strap, whatever you would call it. This one has a small one. This one has a small one, but longer. The curvature right here is different. This one is way different, way higher. Sharper angle, I guess. Just thought I'd show y'all for comparison. Pretty cool. They're not mids. It says, I think it said mids. I'm pretty sure it said mids on the sneaker app. They're not mids. Or at least size-wise, whatever. That's pretty much it for the details, other than the wing logo, but you already saw that when I showed off the colors. You know, it's got that psychedelic purple. Oh, and then I saw this in somebody else's video. It has a Zoom right here, the Zoom logo hidden back there. I don't think I would have seen it if it wasn't for that guy's video. As for the materials, this is a really soft, like suede right here, and this is like a little bit rougher suede. I'd be scared to wear these out, you know, in bad weather. This stuff stains, you're done for. Really nice shoes though. I like them a lot. Oh, another detail, I guess purple stitching right here, so not that important. It's pretty much it for the shoes. As you know, they have a few other shoes with the PSGs. I have a review on the 4s and 6s. I think they have 5s and 1s. I ordered some 1s one time from StockX a while back. They got damaged. They never got here. And this is pretty cool how they all have this. I just thought I'd show y'all since I've been having these for a while. The PSG collection. You got the... I already have videos on these, but I guess I'll show you if you're watching this one. Got the 5s. Pretty cool shoe. I don't know how to do the annotations, but I'll try to do one. If not, look at my channel. I got some. I got a review for that one. I got a review for this one. This is the 4. Did I say 5? Those are the 6s. This is the 4. You know, evolutions over the team jerseys. Like, this is their new jersey. Pretty fucking cool. Man, they're just killing it with the style. Some of my favorite shoes to wear. Some of my favorite Jordans that I actually wear a lot. Well, I try to, because there's some of them are way too clean. I don't want to fuck them up. They all got that. This one doesn't have the area code. I don't know, maybe it's hidden. Maybe we have to find it. Easter egg. But this one's got the area code right here, the Paris 75, and this one has it right here on the plunger thingy, lace holder. But yeah, let's get to what they look like on feet and how they fit. All right, what they look like on feet. I got semi skinny jeans on. I mean, pretty easy to rock. Size wise, I usually go a size up with 1s. I got these in, I should have got them in 10.5, but I got them in 10. But yeah, I would usually go up a size up, but with these I would say just go half a size up. They're pretty comfy. They feel wider for some reason. I guess the leather isn't as tight, but yeah, pretty easy rock, as I was saying. Black jeans, skinny jeans, shorts, you know. And then they have a whole bunch of PSG line line of clothing on the Nike app. If you want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars, you can, and you know, get the matching jersey and the joggers and the shorts and fuck, even the socks. I don't even know, but yeah, this is what they look like on feet. Let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for the review. I really like these shoes. I enjoyed doing the video on it. My channel's kind of growing. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like the content. If you don't, leave a dislike or comment what you didn't like. You know, I take feedback. I love feedback. I love reading the comments. I read all of them. Not that I have many because I'm not even famous yet, but let me know what you thought about the video. Please like and subscribe and watch some other videos if you're interested in some of the somewhat collectible shoes that I have. Just trying to grow and do what I like doing.